Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how you can add a link to your image element. Let's get started. Click on the image that you want to work on. Then go to Link on the action bar above. Click Choose a Link and this pop-up window will appear. You can also drag it into place depending on where you're comfortable putting it so that it won't be blocking any view. Anyway, from here, you can select what type of link you want to embed to your image. So you can choose a page, section, web address, document, and so much more. Whatever type of link you chose, it's important to input the information being asked over here. If it's a page, make sure to choose the correct page that you want to link to your image. If it's a section, make sure to input which page and which section. If it's a web address, make sure to input the URL over here, which is what I'm going to do. So we're just going to use this for demonstration purposes and so on and so forth. Well, depending on what type of link you selected, just make sure to input the information needed so that your site visitors will be taken to the right place. Once you're done, click on Done, and your changes should automatically be saved within the editor. And if you'd like to see if it worked, you can click on Preview and try clicking on your image to see if it takes you to the correct place. And I think in my case, it did. So I think our link successfully worked. And basically, that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.